Hello everyone, Allison Rauch with Greer CPW. It is Monday, here to provide you an update as we continue to restore service to customers following Tropical Storm Helene. It is Monday, and I'm going to be sharing some updates on where we are going to be working and what we have accomplished overnight. So we currently have restored 21,414 of our customers. We restored several hundred overnight. So we continue to see that number go up, and we are looking forward to a full restoration. Overnight, our crews accomplished Hammock Grove, Poplar Drive extension near the water tanks, except for the Pleasant Drive area close to Poplar Drive extension. They're still working on that. We have a long list of where you're going to see crews today, so hang tight for me. I'm going to read them off. We are going to be working on Brookwood Drive and Ridgecrest Drive off Highway 29. We continue our work in the Mount Vernon Road area, as well as the Victor Mill area. You're going to see a large presence in the Burns Road area. That will help us restore 4 subdivisions in that area. Currently, we're working on Lawrence Electric to restore our connection there. We are working with them on that. You'll also continue to see us in Abner Creek in the Westmoreland area later today. Also in that area, Redcroft, we are working with Lawrence Electric. Also in that area, Lawrence feeds Redcroft, and so we have got to get that feed back up. Our equipment is ready. We just need to get the power from them. So we are actively working with them to restore Redcroft. You'll see crews in the Appalach area working to remove trees off of lines and in the roads. We're also going to be working on Campbell Lake Road and Cooper Drive. So a busy day ahead for our crews. We have more crews coming to also help us with this. And again, our top priority is to continue restoring as many customers as we can with our work. Hope to provide you more updates. Again, just because your road may not be listed in this area does not mean it is not a top priority for us. We are getting very close. We appreciate your patience, and I'll provide more updates when I can.